Welcome to Ecom Textbooks. My name is Prince. With over 8 years of experience, I am a senior accountant and US sales tax specialist. Today in this video, I will show you how you can create the California Sales Tax Prepayment, as some of sellers need to create a prepayment on a monthly basis and file a return on a quarterly basis. So without any further delay, let's get started. So what is sales tax prepayment? Businesses are required to make the sales tax prepayment instead of the filing the quarterly returns, because some business tax liability is more than $70,000 per month. So as a CDTFA then assign you a quarterly prepay filing frequency based on your monthly tax liabilities. So I will show you how the due dates are working for this prepayment. Like for first quarter, January to March, for January prepayment, its last due date is for January prepayment is 24th of Feb. You can make the payment 1 to 24 February. For February, the due date is March to March 24. March 1st to March 24. So it means you need to make the prepayment before the 24th of the every month. And for the quarterly return due date is April 1st to April 30. The first quarter due date is April 1st to April 30. So you need to make the payment for quarterly return and file the return before the 30th April. Same as follow for the second quarter, for third quarter, for fourth quarter. As I mentioned, if the due date falls on weekend, state holiday, then the deadline move to next business day. How much you should need to prepay? You need to pay the at least 90% of your actual sales tax liability. For example, your monthly sales tax liability is $30,000, then you need to pay $27,000 for prepayment. You can also pay the 100% of your tax liability amount. It depends on you, but you need to at least pay 90% of the tax amount, and always make the prepayment before the due date, otherwise you will get a penalty from the CDTFA department. So let's get started how you can create the payment on the CDTFA portal. Go to the official website of California department, that is the onlineservices.cdtfa.ca.gov. add your user ID and password. Click on login, click on sales and use tax, select your filing period first. Now I have need to create the payment for second quarter of 2026, that is the period ended June. The period covering is April to June 2026. Select this period. Now I have to make the payment for prepayment 2. Click on make a prepayment 2. You can create the payment by checking or saving account or your credit or debit card. Always prefer the checking or saving account, because the credit or debit card has an convenience fees, that is the 2.3%. So always the prefer saving or checking account. There are no any fees. Select pay now. Add your payment amount. As for my period, the total tax liability is 5531.78. and 90% of this tax amount is 4978.60. And click on submit here. And you can also check the standard prepayment due dates here for quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3 and quarter 4 here. So after adding the amount, you can just click on submit, add your password, click OK. And you can take a print of this PDF for your records. So that's it. This is the simple method to create a prepayment. That is very easy. Please check your numbers before making the prepayment, and always create the prepayment on time to avoid any penalties and interest. Because if you do not pay the prepayment on time, the department will send you a penalty. So keep the prepayments on time and keep compliant for sales tax. Thank
I
you.
hope in this video you will get the details how you can create the California Sales Tax Prepayment. If you still need any help for sales tax matter, for registration, for economic nexus analysis, for ongoing filings, you can book a consultation with me. I will provide the consultation link in the description box. And don't forget, follow eCommerce Tax Books for more sales tax updates.